loan program.
They already have a loan program.
H&B.
Yes. They give loan to the paddy farmers.
Collateralized by sending loan.
So now they are collateralizing us. That means we provide the service, H&B pays us, and H&B will recover from the loan that they are giving to the farmers. That means we are going to try in Batty.
And Batty.
You know, this is we are going to try in Batty, the H&B one, for 500 acres. Piloting. The Trincomalee, it's the agrarian service center, watered.
And then let's talk to the ones in
Because it's only replicating what's happening in the other place for H&B over here, because H&B management is working on it. The process how we can operate is we need to apply to Civil Aviation Authority and they send the request to the MOD.
So how are you doing it commercially if you don't have the license?
In the sense that we already applied, we are just waiting for it.
So we haven't done it commercially yet.
For this season, still, yeah.
This season you have to apply for a license?
It's not license, it's actually an approval and security clearance too. The security clearance, it's mainly because of the military involvements and this. But otherwise, like foreign countries, it's just their own civil aviation or federal aviation authority, and mostly it's just open. The pilots should have the pilot license, and then it's open.
So you have a pilot's license?
Sri Lanka doesn't have the pilot license still, but we are trying to bring it there.
So how many farms have you done so far? This?
For last season, we did 5,568 acres with 3 drones. One is over here, another one is in Trinco, the other one is in Batty. So we couldn't expect that, but it happened.
It's good. It's very good. It's very good.
And both sides, it's win-win for farmers also. At the same time, if you operate in this way, it's also a profitable one. Otherwise, a private sector can't have a business.
But it's best if they do it, they aggregate themselves. If they bring them all together, if they work together.
Yeah, and what's happening for coming season, for Trinco, the Agrarian Service Center, they are organizing the farmers and they are going to pilot a model that they have a system giving loans to the farmers for buying seed paddy, the chemicals, the fertilizer. So this time they are going to try whether they can we provide the service and the society pays us immediately and they recover it from the harvest. So farmers doesn't need to have money with them all the time. And in